Duane Marino's Team Railmark Dealer Services is a leading training organization and was formed out of a passion for integrity in the training room. It is his commitment to tell you the facts and nothing but the facts, because he is dedicated to giving you proven successful selling skills that work in today's automotive marketplace. His straightforward training style omits the war stories, exaggerated claims, or hidden agendas which can leave students bored and rolling their eyes in disbelief. All ethical and legal standards of conduct are complied with. Team Railmark specializes in automotive training for all levels of experience. Duane Marino, one of Canada's foremost professional automotive sales trainers, is the principal and founder. With a degree from the University of Western Ontario, he entered automotive in 1987. Joining a major automotive manufacturer in 1989, he held various positions, including national sales trainer, before starting his own company in 1996. Not afraid to walk the talk, he eagerly takes walk-ins, phone and F&I traffic while training on site. He continues to update his knowledge with formal training and sharpens his skills during in-dealership fill-in assignments. Duane motivates his clients to new levels of professional and personal development with his usable and proven approaches, delivered in his own down-to-earth style. Duane has trained over 12,000 salespeople and managers and has consulted nearly 250 dealerships on site. His clients include Canadian and American dealerships of every make, automotive manufacturers, captive finance companies, banks, off-lease fleet remarketers, independent service garages, and non-automotive retail sales professionals. He is a circuit speaker for several seminar and speaking companies and one of the only Canadian automotive sales trainers to be recognized in the U.S. He is frequently asked to contribute his opinions to automotive trade publications and magazines. Since 1992, Duane has dedicated his career to learning and teaching others how to succeed through process. His knowledge, energy, integrity, and commitment to continuous improvement are the driving forces behind each and every Team Railmark training workshop. Achieve profit through process with Team Railmark Dealer Services.